Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue the last class, that is addition, with starting that by exercise 5.4. By starting exercise 5.4, in this exercise we have to fill the blanks, that is fill in the blanks, fill in the blanks using order property, using order property. Now this one we understood by the first question. Through this first question, that is 9 plus 13, here dash plus dash equals dash. Whatever it is given, that is 9 plus 13. Here we have to write these two blanks, then this blank. Whatever this blank says, that 9 plus 13 will be written reverse in these two blanks, then make the total of these two numbers and write the result here. यहाँ पे क्या करना है, इन दोनों नंबरों को फिर रिवर्स करके यहाँ पे लिखना है, फिर दोनों को ऐड करके यहाँ पे उनका आंसर यहाँ पर लिखना है. अब कैसे लिखेंगे, 13 plus 9, then 13 plus 9 it is 22. ऐसे this number will be reversed and written in the blanks, then added these two numbers and the result will be put in the third blank. Like this we must say. The second question is 6 plus 5. B 6 plus 5 equals dash plus dash equals dash, that is 5 plus 6 equals 11. Like this we must do the sums. Now the question second, insert the brackets to satisfy the associative property. Insert the brackets means brackets. Insert the brackets to satisfy the associative property. To satisfy the associative property of addition. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें ब्रैकेट्स का यूज करना है. ब्रैकेट्स यूज कर कर हमें यहाँ पे नंबर्स लिखने हैं. जैसे पहला क्वेश्चन, दैट इज 4 plus 7 plus 11. A within bracket 4 plus 7 plus 11 equals 4 plus 7 plus 11. 4 plus 7 plus 11. अब इसमें हमें यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट दिया हुआ है, लेकिन यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट दिया हुआ नहीं है. So we must put bracket in the next group. Here the bracket is put in the first numbers, in the front numbers, that is 4 plus 7. Now we have to change the bracket in between second and third. The bracket will be changed from first second to third, second and third. Now we have to put bracket here, that is 4 plus 7, 4 plus 7 plus 11, that is within 7 plus 11 is within the bracket. In the same way, that is question number B, 9 plus 6 plus 2, 9 plus 6 plus 2, that is the given bracket is 6 plus 2. The given bracket is 6 plus 2. Then we have to move the bracket from second and third to first and second. That is 9 plus 6 is within bracket plus 2. Like this we must do the other remaining questions. Now third question, fill in the blanks using additive property of 0. Fill in the blanks with blank using additive property of 0. एडिटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ जीरो मतलब क्या होता है, जहां पर हम जीरो का यूज करते हैं इन एडिंग द नंबर्स. एडिटिव प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स जहां पर हम जीरो का यूज करते हैं एडिशन में. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डैश प्लस जीरो इक्वल्स 10. डैश प्लस जीरो इक्वल्स 10. इट मीन्स in this question the number, whatever number is here, it is added by 0, then we get 10. Then what we do to get to this number 10, we have to simply go for writing that number, that is 10, because 10 is added to 0. Then 0 have no value, only single 0 we don't have value, so 10 plus 0, it is simply, it is 10. The answer must be 10. Like this, the second question, 0 plus dash equals 14. 0 plus dash equals 14. The answer will be 14, but the number we don't have, so it is automatically comes in the mind that when we add for 0 with 14, the number will be same, that is 14. Like this, you must do the questions given in the textbook. Then last question is, in this exercise, identify the addition property used in each question. Identify the addition property property used in each question. Property used in each question. The first question is 4 plus 6 equals 6 plus 4. The first question is 4 plus 6 equals 6 plus 4. What it means? The 4 plus 6. First question is 4 plus 6 equals 6 plus 4. Then it is in the order, that is 4 plus 6, then 6 plus 4. The same number and in the same manner, that is called order property. It is under order property. And the second one, that is 8 plus 13 plus equals 13 plus 8. 8 plus 13, B is 8 plus 13 equals 13 plus 8. Again it is order property. Now the third one is 11 plus 2 plus 8 equals 11 plus 2 plus 8 equals 8 plus 2 plus 11. Sorry. 11 plus 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is within the bracket. Now here the 11 is associated with the 2 and 2 is associated with 8. So it is the associative property. Associative property. Now the fourth one, 0 plus 1 equals 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1, it is additive property. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Here we have added, that is 0 with 1 or any number, then it is additive property. And fifth one, that is 7 plus 0 equals 7, it is again additive property. 6 plus 7 equals 7, it is additive property. Like this you must do the remaining one question, that is 6 plus 3 plus 7 equals 6 plus 9, it is associative property or grouping property. That is grouping property.